Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Club. So today we have a nice exponential question which is at raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 60. So we have to find the value of x here. Now we are going to write that by exponential identity we know that if we have a raised to power m minus n, then we can write it like a raised to power m over a raised to power n. So here our left hand side can be written as that a raised to power x over a raised to power plus 1, which is equal to 60. So now here 8 raised to power x is equal to, if we multiply this 8 by 60, then we get 60 times 8. So now taking log on both hand side, so we have here log 8 raised to power x is equal to log that 60 times 8. So now using logarithm powers law, then we have log a raised to power m is equal to m log a. So here our left hand side will be x log 8 is equal to log this 60 times 8. Now dividing log 8 on both hand side, log 8 here log 8. So log 8 can be cancelled out with each other, then we get x is equal to, now log 60 times 8 by using logarithm law, as we know that if we have log a times b, then it will be equal to log a plus log b. So this will be log 60 plus log 8 all over log 8. Now if we write this denominator, which is log 8, separately with each term, then we have log 60 over log 8, and this one is log 8 over log 8. Now we see that log 8 can be cancelled out with each other, then we have this one, we just write here 1, and here log 60. Log 60 can be written as we know that if we have 60, which is equal to 4 times 15, so 4 times 15 is equal to 60. Now we are going to write this 60 like log 4 times 15 all over log 8. So x is equal to 1 plus, now using again that this product law here, logarithm product law, that log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So now this will be equal to log 4 and plus log 15, and we just write here this log 8 with both terms here as a denominator, here as well log 8. Now x is equal to 1 plus log 4 is 2 squared all over log 2 cubed plus log 15, we just write log 15 like that 3 times 5 all over this log 8. Now our next step is x is equal to 1 plus, here we again using logarithm powers law, then we have 2 log 2 over here 3 log 2, and plus using product law here, then we have log 3 plus log 5, and writing this 8 separately with both terms, here log 8, similarly here log 8. Now x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 log 2 can be cancelled, then plus here if we see that log 3, and this log 8 can be written as log 2 cube, which is equal to 8, and similarly we are going to write same step here, that log 8 is 2 raised to power 3. So now our next step is x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus log 3 over, here we use logarithm powers now, then we have 3 log 2, and plus this one will be log 5 over this 3 log 2. Now our next step is x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus this log 3, our 3 log 2, we just write 1 over 3, and here log 3 over log 2, we are going to use our logarithm law, as we know that if we have that log a or log b, then it will be equal to log this a to base b. So now using here, then we get log 3 to base 2, and similarly using same law here, then we get log 5 to base 2. So now if we take LCM here on our right hand side, which is 3 here, 3 this one, and then we are going to take LCM 3. So when we multiply this 3 with 1, then we get 3 plus here 3 can be cancelled out, then we get only 2, and plus log 3 to base 2, 3 can be cancelled, and plus here 3 we are going to cancel 3 with each other, then we have log 5 to base 2. So our final step is x is equal to this 3 plus 2 is 5 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3. So now it is our value of x that we have just find out. Now we are going to verify our result. So for verification, just write here checking our value of x here. So just recalling our problem, which is 8 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 60. So by simplification we get 8 raised to power x is equal to 8 times 60. Now putting value of x here, our that left hand side, then we have 8 raised to power this 5 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3 is equal to 8 times 60 is 480. So now our next step is here, if we write 8 is like 2 cubed, then multiplying by this one, so 5 plus log 2 log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3 is equal to 480. So now here if we cancel this 3 with 3, we get only 2. So 2 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus this one. So by using exponential law, we have 2 raised to power 5 is equal to here 2 raised to power 5 times 2 raised to power this log 3 to base 2 times 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2 is equal to 480. So now we see that here we use logarithm law because 2 and this 2 is same, so it is our value of b. So now we are just writing here that using our logarithm law, as we know that if we have a raised to power log b to base a, then it will be equal to b. So a raised to power log b to base a is equal to this one b. So our this step will be 2 raised to power 5, and we know that 2 raised to power 5 we have this 32 times here 2 is same, so our value of b is here 3 times here value of b is 5, which is equal to 480. So when we multiply this one, then we get 480, which is equal to 480. Here our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have just proved that value of x is true for this problem. So now we are going to check our entire solution here. Here it is our answer that we have just find out. Hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So it is our entire solution that we have just find out. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.